In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 10 42mm jet black aluminum. So the box itself is pretty minimalistic, just a white box. We do have the Apple logo and the word watch here on the front. The sides are empty unless you do get a carbon neutral version, then you will get the little carbon neutral logo here on one of the sides. The back here has a little bit more information if you'd like to pause and read more. Otherwise, let's go ahead and open this up. So there's the first look at the inner contents of the box. We do have two more boxes inside here. We have one that has the watch itself and another box that has the specific band that you ordered with your watch. And on the inside, we have some Apple Watch graphics. So let's go ahead and take a look at these two inner boxes. So as you can see here, I did get the jet black aluminum case with the ink sport loop. So let me go ahead and open these separately for you. So the watch case here itself is pretty nice. It has a little embossed, raised Apple Watch graphic here, which should match the case color that you purchased. And on the side here, you might be able to read that it says Series 10 jet black aluminum case. And let's go ahead and get this open. All right, I'll lift up the top here. All right, so it looks like the watch is over here and it's in a little paper protective covering here to protect the screen. And I'm guessing that this paper will match the color that you purchased. And on the back here, you can see also that it says 42mm, so that should match the size that you purchased. Let's see if I can get this out of the little paper without doing anything. All right, so here's the first look at the 42mm Apple Watch Series 10 in the jet black color. And one of my first impressions here is that it is significantly lighter weight than I recall previous Apple Watches being, so that is noticeable. So here's just kind of a look here. We have the little new speaker grill here. And I'll try to show off the back of the watch as well. So it says Apple Watch Series 10, 42mm aluminum case, Ion X glass, GPS, water resistant to 50 meters. So this is the same sensor array as the last few generations, so nothing new there. And we do have the digital crown and the side button and the same band attachment mechanisms. So I'm going to put that to the side for the moment and we'll see what else comes inside of this box. Lift this out here. Looks like we have some information in there. And this is the charger. So we have a few instructions about how to turn on the watch by pressing and holding the side button, how to attach the magnetic charger. And it looks like here with the Series 10, we do have a braided charging cable that comes with it. It is a USB-C, and it does have a magnet puck attachment on the other side that just attaches to the back of the watch. One thing that is not included in the box here is a power adapter. So if you don't already have a USB-C power adapter, I'll link to a few of my favorites here down in the description below if you need to get one of those. All right, so let's unbox the band here. I already pulled the little tab off. And let's go ahead and look at the inside of this box. Looks like we have some instructions here for how to attach and remove the band. And it looks like I can slide this out. And we have some paper information here on the back. And then this is the band itself. So let's go ahead and take it out here. All right, so here's a look at the ink sport loop. I'll try to get this in focus for you. See how it says 42mm here to show the size. And then I'll try to get up close here so you can see the pattern and the color. So it definitely is more of a navy dark blue than it is black. So that is something to note if you are getting the jet black case color. It may not be a perfect match to the case color, but this is very soft material. and it's great if you have any kind of sensitivity to the more rubber material of bands. The other thing I like about this band is that it is a little bit stretchy as well, so just in case you have a wrist that gets a little bit bloated or whatnot when you exercise, it's very helpful to have that little bit of stretchability. So, all right, so let's go ahead and put it on the jet black watch and see what this color combination looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just insert the band here. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. All right, so here's the first look at the jet black aluminum Series 10 with the ink sport loop band. What do you think of this color combination? So you can see that there's definitely a difference in the color here, where the band meets the watch. It's more of a blue color, and this is just a Velcro attachment, so you just have to pull this up to adjust. And you see how this has the Velcro here. All right, so I just set up my watch and paired it with my phone. If you want to see that process, I'll link my video in the description below. Otherwise, this is what the 42mm jet black aluminum case with the ink sport band looks like on my wrist. And my wrist is approximately 6.8 inches or 173 millimeters or 17.3 centimeters. If you found this video helpful, could you please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more Apple Watch videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.